Hello friends, how are you all of? My name is Alam and welcome back my YouTube channel English King 470. So friend, if you watching my video then I hope you are a English learner. So first of all, I give you my self introduction. My name is Alam and I am from Jharkhand and I am a English learner. And this is YouTube channel is my channel. This channel name is English King 470 and this is not my business channel. This is my only my self introduction and my for my improve English channel. Okay, so please don't mind because I am a English learner and I know my English is very weak and I do make big sentence is make mistake. So first, if you watching my video, then you I hope you are a learner, English learner. Though, so it's all so for all learners problem. How is possible? Because I know English, I understand English, but I can't speak English. So can I speak fluently? Can I speak English fluently? Yes. How is possible speak English fluently? Yeah, it's possible. If you want speak English, if you want English speak fluently, then you try to some tricks. First of all, you read the English book. Second, you watch English movie in English language. And third number, you think about in yourself and others. You think about not yourself. Sorry, not yourself. You think about all things in English. And the fourth number, you speak English slowly because you are a learner, you don't know proper English. Then don't worry, you speak English little bit and you try to understand and you try to speak English slowly. First of all, give me I hope, I can see, I can understand, I want, I don't want. It's model type and you think in English slowly. So how do I know speak English fluently and how much it will take learning in English? So friend, I hope you understanding my you are understanding my English. My English is very weak, I know, but not problem because I don't have partner for practice. So this channel is on for my improve my English contents. So as far as I think I know English 50%. I don't know 100%. I know 50%, but I can understand English, but I can't speak English. So it is not big problem for me because all learners thinking that I know English, I can understand English, but I can't speak English. So it is not for my big problem. It's all learners problem. So my question is, can I speak English fluently? Yes, but how will take time this platform and this tricks? So first of all, I give you a suggestion. You think in your mind in English and you watch movie in English language and you read daily 10 to 15 minutes in English newspaper. And if you watch news, then you have a big chance for improve your English. If you watch news daily, then you can watch in English, because if you watch the video, if you will watch the English movie, then you make many mistakes. So I hope you watch news in English language. Okay, so English is not difficult language. English is easy language because I am a Indian and India are 28 states. India have 28 state and all state is separate language, and my mother language is Jharkhandi, but I know Hindi language. But how? When I did go to my school, then I don't know. That time I did know speak Hindi and I can't understand Hindi. That's time, not present time. My past time. I told you my past time. So that's time I don't know. I didn't know Hindi. So after some time, I try to understand and I try to speak in Hindi. So slowly after some time, I I can understand Hindi and I can understand Hindi and I can speak Hindi. But now I thought, yeah, English is Hindi is my national language. But if I will go to other country, then other country peoples don't know Hindi. So I thought I will learn English. So I joined the YouTube channel on my study in English. I joined and I am learning and present time I learn in English. I am learning English, but it's my problem. It is not my problem, all's problem. But now my problem is because many English as vocabulary, and I remember vocabulary. I remember vocabulary. I remember models. I remember preposition. I remember conjunction. I remember tense. I remembered all in English. Speak English fluently. I don't know, but now I know, and it's my confidence. It's my confidence, big confidence, because I think I will speak English fluently after some time, because I know present time I don't know speak English fluently, but I will try my best after day by day. Then one day I will speak English fluently and I will have knowledge of English. So I should daily 15 to 20 minutes read English, and I should watch movie in English language, and I should English conversation with other peoples. So I don't know and I don't have partners. So it's my channel is my confidence and its channel is my friends, because every day I make video 15 minutes every day. I make video. I making video 10 to 15 minutes. If you speak English non-stop 10 to 15 minutes, then you have a knowledge in you. So you think you have English knowledge, but how how will I grow my English? Yeah, I know I am English learner, but I don't have partners. I don't have a conversion for others people, to others people. Sorry, to others people. But I know, can I speak in English language slowly? Can I speak to other peoples in English language? Then I will have knowledge of English. You can see my old video. I don't have confidence. I was not confident, but now present time I have confidence 80%, because I think I know English 60%, 50 to 60%, but my confidence is 80%. So don't waste my time, and I request to all learners, please, if you want to learn English, then you don't make excuses, and you can see and you can read English book and English newspaper, and you can see you can watch English movie, and you can speak English to all peoples in slow listening. If you want water, so not speak Hindi language. You think in your mind, how is, and I in the airport, and I want water bottle. How will bring in the air? So you think I want water bottle, and as for I think you can improve your English. This, so I don't know how is my English. So I request all my friends, please give me compliment. How is my and how will make how will I make my new video. So thank you watching for my video and have a